It was looking at 42 to 56 hours to learn all of this stuff. My shortcut around this was that I didn't actually... Thanks for clicking on this video. We're gonna go through how I took a 48-hour SQL class and turned it into 2 with AI. Without further ado, let's get started. Start off with this. I'm building an application and I'm learning how to build my first SQL database. What are the fundamentals I should know? What are the different options out there, lightweight but effective? So it goes through, shows me some of these offerings. And then I was like, wait a minute, why don't I ask AI to be my database instructor? Create mini assignments that you would give a new student that would teach them the fundamentals of building a SQLite database. They went ahead and actually did that. Here you can see the fundamentals: setting up SQLite, creating tables, inserting and querying data, updating and deleting data, joins and complex queries, indexing and performance, using SQLite in a program. I got started on this at 11:30, I want to say. It's now 1:30. 2 hours. It's been 2 hours. I asked them, how long do you anticipate as a university level person to finish this course? It was 42 to 56 hours. My shortcut around this was that I didn't actually write all of this stuff myself. I would go and copy this right here and then just paste that and say, now generate a Python file for this. It would drop out a file that teaches you all of these concepts. All of the syntactical stuff is being written for me, and now I can learn by example and just copy and paste. And the way they wrote these is to run them as a script. If I pull over here, and I can make this repository available for anyone, that's exactly what I did. I went ahead and did create bookstore schema. It teaches you how to do it in Python, which is exactly the backend that I'm using, page by page, and analyze what it was showing me. I started understanding syntax. I started writing notes and all this kind of stuff. Lo and behold, I'm learning exactly how to use SQL. Right here in complex queries, this is where I learned left join, inner join, group by, these aggregate functions that you can run inside of Python, and how syntactically it works. This is how fast you can move. You can tell it to be your private tutor inside of a project like this, where I just have scripts that I can go back to over and over again. Be very explicit. I want to learn. Show me step by step how to do that. Give me all of the artifacts required in order to teach somebody and go through step by step.